In addition to the full 34 report, over the past several years, Gallup has started releasing what they call the role reports. These are really fun. The three role reports that currently exist are Clifton Strengths for sales, Clifton Strengths for managers, and Clifton Strengths for leaders. These reports give you your top 10, which research shows is typically the number of strengths that you really have great potential in and will you likely use on a regular basis. And it gives you 2 pages of content for every single talent theme on how that talent theme works for you, and how it applies to that specific role. Um, a lot of times in roles, people get really worried about trying to be like somebody else who's been really good at that job. And these reports are really tailored to help you figure out your best way to be a great salesperson, to be a great manager, to be a great leader. Um, so if you were in one of those roles, if you were doing a lot of selling or you were managing people directly, or if you were leading an organization or multiple teams, those roles or those reports can be particularly powerful.